welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today is gonna be a fun vlog, but before I begin, I just want to give you guys a little bit of context as to where this is going. So about mid-November, I got a call from Viacom 18 and Colors Infinity saying that I want a trip to the US to see the live taping of Big Bang Theory. Now at that point, I was really like chill, but inside I had lost my cool, I lost my mind and my sanity, and I was like, hey, is this really happening? It took a week and a half of processing, and cut to November 18th, I get to know my tickets are booked. The same day I packed and the same night I left. Before beginning, I just want to say thank you so much to Colors Infinity and Viacom 18 for sending me to the US. It's crazy that it's the last season of The Big Bang Theory and I was there. I was in the studio when they were filming the last season, and like, hey, this happened. And it's not like it was the regular seats also, it was like legit VIP seats. When I entered the studio, I saw my name written on the seat, but then reality hit me when I realized that on my left was Mayim Bialik's mom, so like Amy, her mom. And then on the right side was Sheldon, so like Jim Parsons' sister. And I was like, okay, am I really sitting like in this area? Am I really sitting with these people? It was so emotional because the whole time in the studio I was like, hey, 2 days back I was in my room and I was wondering, is this gonna happen? And I'm here now, and it happened. And wow, so I'm gonna stop talking and actually let you guys see the video. But thank you so much Colors Infinity and Viacom 18 for doing this. You guys have let a girl live her dream. And without further ado, let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I have 46 kgs of food. Damn! With about let's say 15 kgs of Parle-G because my family loves Parle-G. And this is all the clothes I have, like just this much. And then this is all Parle-G. Hi guys, so I've just had breakfast and now I'm gonna board my flight for LA.
She said she's working on her glue.
Just got done with dinner with my cousins and we went to Beat-Ups, that's Buffalo Wild Wings, and it's like one of my essentials when I come to the US because I just need a sushi, buffalo wings, pink drink, and that's it, and bagel with cream cheese, which I had this morning. These are the 4 things I need when I come here. And that's Shaka. Shaka, say hi.
Hi.
Shaka got me my pink drink and I already had one this morning, so I'm really happy that this is just an overdose right now. Tomorrow's a long day, so I'm gonna get some rest in the hotel and I'll see you guys. Hi guys, so I'm at Hollywood and I'm just running a few errands here and there. I'm gonna go crazy, but I'm also gonna shop right now because there's so many stores here. Kind of feels a little weird for me to be a tourist here because I've done this way too many times, but I never get enough of the Hollywood sign, which is right there. Sitting here in Hollywood at this place called Kino Sushi, and I'm just here to have sushi and then quickly go back to my hotel and then get ready for the day. Also just having pink drink. Yeah, today's been fun. I shopped quite a bit actually. This is all I want to shop about. That's it. Sushi time. So this right here is my happy place because sushi and pink drink and miso soup. Very touristy outfit, walking my way to the Warner Brothers studio.
You were start out with that water tank up there. It used to hold water, no longer holds water. More recently, it held Wacko and Yakko. Yes, the Animaniacs.
Because this is the actual Harry Potter archive. These are the actual letters. I'm gonna die a little bit. Birdie bots! I actually have one of these at home. Oh my god. I'm in some kind of heaven right now. This is Voldemort's costume. The actual costume. Oh my god.
True. Let's see. Slytherin.
Oh, you're Slytherin. No way. I know I'm Gryffindor because I took it on Pottermore. The actual Batmobile. This is the actual Batmobile. Oh my god, how cool is this? Look at it. This is the Friends set, and I'm waiting in line to get a picture here. That is so cool. If you guys don't know what this is, I have no idea where you guys are living, because this is the Quidditch room. And that's how it works on the green screen. I'm in the merch store and there's everything everywhere. That's Ellen. This is Pretty Little Liars, and there's this really cool Pretty Little Liars lip gloss that I think I'm gonna get. There's the Big Bang Theory.
Oh, really?
Just got done with the tour, and I'm so excited because now I'm gonna go for the live taping of Big Bang Theory. So I'm gonna go in for the taping of the Big Bang Theory, just getting ready. There's so much crowd here, but I have like a VIP stamp, and that's really cool. And it's a cool set, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog inside, which is okay, and that's why I'm gonna keep the vlogging camera here, and I'll see you guys after the taping. So I'm back in my hotel room, and I just got here like right now, 10 minutes after seeing the taping of the Big Bang Theory. How did this even happen? I just came here yesterday and I'm already leaving tomorrow, and I just saw the taping of Big Bang Theory. Like, oh my god, that's crazy. I saw the whole episode and the experience was crazy. It was amazing. It's a live taping, so all the laughs and everything, they're all like natural laughs. And I got to see Katie Kuoko, I got to see Johnny Galecki, Jim Parsons, got to see Mayim Bialik. Oh my god, it's crazy. I even saw Kunal Nair, even though Kunal Nair did not perform today. He was there, he was around. It's like the last season, and Johnny and Katie sort of like came up to the audience, and they just like were so emotional about this being the last season. But I didn't get to meet anyone. But that's okay. That's okay. Not meeting anyone is okay because I got to see this, and this was wonderful. I am so grateful to Colors and Viacom and Warner Bros for getting me here and letting me see this, because this experience has been crazy. Loved it from the very bottom of my heart, so thank you so much. Right now I'm just gonna have my sushi and go off to sleep. And just by the way, this is the outside of the hotel. It's basically a motel. It's not even a hotel really. That's the lobby. These are all the rooms here. That's the cutest swimming pool ever. And here's the sign, the Tangerine. I'm at the airport and I'm heading back home with my last pink drink